sitting home today, nothing to do really. My daughter has the car, she has to work. So I think today I'm going out to take a bus into town, maybe go to my favorite restaurant for lunch. I haven't decided, but I could do that. But I'll just go out and see what's out there, and I'll bring you along. So hang with me and let's see what happens. The bus stop is, I don't know how far away it is in meters. It's only about a half a block in Salt Lake City blocks, which are two or three times bigger than the blocks in, say, Houston. But once I get to the bus stop, I think the longest I have to wait there is 15 minutes for the express bus. But on the express buses, you don't need a ticket to get on, and he'll just take me around. And I can get off up where I can buy a ticket. It's going to be a pretty warm day today. About 95 degrees Fahrenheit. And I looked, and that's 35 Celsius. Bus is air conditioned, and I shouldn't have to walk a lot, except from getting to and from the bus. While I'm waiting for the next bus, I guess I can catch you up on what's happened here. My mother died about 2 weeks ago, so everything at the house is, well, trying to get ready for selling the house. That's the main objective now. There's a lot of construction in the southwest part of the Salt Lake Valley, and this little road here that runs through my town is one of the only routes to get to and from the construction. So from time to time, a whole caravan of construction trucks, semi-trucks, and just noisy vehicles runs through here. Anyways, like I say, and getting the house sold is the main objective right now. Here comes another truck. We might have we have no more than 6 months to get the house ready to sell. My brother's in charge of that. I'm glad it's him and not me, boy. I'm pretty useless. This hip keeps me from lifting things, keeps me from walking far. So I apologize to everyone for not being able to do more. Thought I'd break out my shades. It's kind of stupid to have them not wear them. So I got my ticket. It's good till noisy truck. It's good till 4:15 p.m. and right now it's 1:46. So I got a little time. It cost me $1.25. That's pretty good for old people and handicapped people, I think. And that's good for the light rail trains too. So I got off the bus about 1200 east on 3300 south, and I'm walking up to La Frontera. I'm almost too late for the lunch special. Okay, I made it to my favorite restaurant, and I'm here in time for the Thursday special, which is also one of my favorite specials. I love this salsa. It's really good. And this is what the Thursday special looks like. Right there. We got his 2 enchiladas smothered with cheese with rice and beans. And of course the complimentary chips and salsa. It's really good. Now I'm going to get on the 33 bus and head back toward Magna. That was my trip. It's a long time to get up to this side of the valley on a bus. A car's a lot faster. Probably cheaper too. But that's what you do when you don't have a car on. A funny thing happened to me on the way back home. I got on the number 33 bus, which is supposed to change to the 35 bus, so that's what I thought. And it changed to a different route number altogether, and now I'm so far off course, I'm going to have a hard time getting on course again. Anyway, can't assume anything, right? Because we know what happens when you assume. I feel a little bit stupid. Okay, I'm going to catch a bus back down to the bus hub and transfer to the right bus down there. I feel so silly. I should have paid attention more. But you know, things the way they used to be a few years ago are totally different now. And they're going to change them again in a couple of days too. You just never can assume anything on the buses. Well, I'm back at the bus hub now. And within 15 minutes the 35 bus will come by, and the 35 Max, they call it, bus, which is like the express bus, will come and pick me up here and take me back home. But just a simple ride has turned into something a little more complicated because I wasn't paying attention. I guess that's the way life is, huh? While I'm waiting for the bus, I'm going to explain how I got messed up. I was talking to this guy, and he was complaining about his insurance and stuff. He also is a veteran, goes to the Veterans Administration Hospital. And then he started saying stuff about how Obama messed up the veterans hospitals. I said, what did Obama do to the veterans hospitals? He said, well, he put illegal immigrants in charge of everything up there. And so I just kind of giggled. I said, there's no illegal immigrants up there. And he says, well, they don't speak English. And I said, I have never met anybody up there who doesn't speak English. And then he said, well, when I mean illegal immigrants, I just mean immigrants. He's just a really bigoted kind of guy. He's been chewed up and spit out by insurance companies, and he's got a lot of things to gripe about. So a lot of his anger is misplaced. But the VA is not perfect, I admit that. I mean, I'm waiting on this hip thing, and there's no guarantee that's going to happen anytime soon. I got sidetracked listening to him and his problems with his insurance. And his wife's insurance costs him like $1,200 a month. It's just amazing. Insurance companies are not good. I am on my last leg. I got off the bus. This is always the hardest part. The walk from the bus stop back home. Probably because I'm all tired at this point. And since I got lost along the way, it probably makes it worse, but it all worked out. I left a message for my daughter. I said, I'm clear out here, can you come pick me up? But she was at work, and she just got the message a few minutes ago, and she called me up all in a panic. Oh dad, are you okay? I told her it's okay. I backtracked and caught the right bus, so I'm okay. And I made it. Boy, I'm bushed. I don't think I'll get this put together and posted online until tomorrow. Oh, but I'm glad to be home. I'm glad the air conditioner's working today. It wasn't yesterday, day before. So everybody, thanks for coming along with me getting lost It was a lot of fun, right? I hope you have a happy evening, happy morning, happy afternoon, whatever time it is, wherever you are, and I'll catch you next time I post. Hopefully I'll get this hip taken care of and I can get back to Thailand. That's the goal, that's the dream. So, bye everybody.